Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the column with the strings to inspect. Make sure there are no merged cells. Once done, insert a helper column to the right for formulas so you keep originals intact. You will place the first formula in the helper column adjacent to the first data cell. This keeps references simple. Make sure text is trimmed and case handled. We'll normalize casing inside the formula so comparisons ignore capitalization differences. Now enter the detection formula that normalizes text, then looks for repeated adjacent words. You'll use lower and trim to standardize, substitute to insert separators, and a pattern test like isNumber search. To find duplicates, this checks for exact adjacent repetitions such as the. Once you confirm the formula flags known examples, drag or double-click the fill handle to copy it down the helper column so every row is evaluated consistently. With formulas populated, apply a filter on the helper column to show only flagged rows. You'll immediately see the entries with suspected double words and can correct them manually or with targeted find/replace. After fixes, clear the filter and reevaluate a subset to ensure no false negatives. If results look off, check for punctuation or non-breaking spaces. A common issue is invisible characters. Use clean and substitute to remove them and rerun the detection formula.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.